Well, I have to share few things uh, because uh, I think you should know now. Reason behind my love towards east, not west, and towards this place as well. This place. Hmm? So I'll tell you the reason. All my life, West people tried attacking my family. eh? East was the one who kept me alive. Uh, I what do you call it? Even in now, in 6 months I drink. I drink for 5 days. eh? So 5 to 6 days. 7 day I drink. My father puts me in rehab. So when I go in the east, I buy alcohol. eh? They look me for 3 to 4 days. Fifth day I don't get alcohol even after paying. No, we are not giving in east. Which shopkeeper does this? There was a time in my old times uh, that there were threats to my family, so I have to go out. So while returning back in west to my father's, because I cannot disturb my nanny at nights around 2 or 3 if I have to return. So there was a track where people used to get stabbed. Hmm? So how I used to travel, you know this. I have to put my hand on this belly, and then I have to cross those tracks because uh, the looters, they stab into your belly, and so if somewhere stabbed on my face and all, I could take it, but if belly is gone, you're gone. And east people used to drop me. Raju, a friend, Raju. So uh, then uh, I went into a severe accident. There was a fan club. Because of that fan club, I had a bloodbath. So entire East got crazy after that. There was a big bloodbath. It was a fight. Because of a fight, entire East got crazy. There are more events like this that if I get drunk, they drop me home. When I was in my teen, I used to sleep and sleep at dawn and wake up at this time. So at this time, my friends used to come at my house. Huh? I used to brush. I used to freshen up. I used to eat nothing. I used to go out. I used to start my day with a beer at my teen. So that was my breakfast. So probably we were children. Huh? Uh, so people from east used to come. So I cannot betray them. Huh? And there are many stuff east has done to me, and west people always tried harming my family. West people, they are doing it till today. Some of them must be connected to west. And you don't understand how I feel about this place. Should I have to say? You are making me feel shy. Don't you understand how I feel about this place? When I said any problem comes, I'll be back here. Don't you understand? This place healed me. I love this place. Don't you understand this? Whenever, whatever trouble comes, I'll be back. Didn't I say? Did I give it up to West that what do you call it? I dropped the towels. I mean, I quit. No, where did I do it? Yeah, right. Don't you see I love this place? I have to say this, and I'll be back if any trouble comes regarding the content. Why don't you understand? If any trouble comes, I'll be back. Those Handore people has said this wherever I go. It's not my fault. What do I do? What did ever I did to anyone? Don't you understand how I feel about this place? When I said that you can do whatever you want to do. And over that I gave you that I forgived, and this is not because of you. Uh, uh, it has started against me from a long time. You can do whatever you want to, and if any harm comes, I'll be back, and I forgived you. Can't you understand this? But being here, how can you ask me to not to love someone over there with that who did lot of stuff for me? There are few more places which I love in Pune, in Goa. I love those places. So, West I don't love. West there is always hatred towards West. Those are the people who made mine and everyone's life mess. Try to understand when a guy says that he will be back if any trouble comes, that means there is something, right? So this place has healed me. Any trouble comes, I'll be back, and I don't betray anyone. So if any trouble comes, any problem regarding those uh, material or anything, but I have to live my life, right? I have to live. I have something. This way we'll get finished if we don't work. If I don't work, it's high time to more than 2.5 years. If I don't make a shitload of money, we'll lose our legacy. So understand this, that if when a guy says that any trouble comes here, uh, and I'm a man of my word, trust me. If I said I'm gonna be back if any trouble, then I'll be back. But I don't know what's gonna happen, where I'm gonna go, what I'm gonna. That's it.